Irate mob burned down the godown farmhouse of Minister L.Sushindro located Kangla, Sangomshang on June 23rd. Some unidentified miscreants burned the farmhouse again last night where pipes for sewerage project were kept around 10 p.m. According to report girls from the spots, Maira Paibis said some unknown persons came and torched the pipes. The Maira Paibis followed them, however the miscreants escaped from the spots taking the advantage of darkness. Our ELITETV team visited at the spot and reported by our reporter Rishikesh Norim.
L.Sushindro, L.Sushindro, had fired several rounds at a nearby area where Maira Paibis were there to check a vehicle who was carrying one lady who was allegedly mistaken to be an
Hojai Jakoi Legend Pharmacy in Fall Iski Manung Chanaleba, Faknu Harima Famaduni, Harima Famasida, Manipur Kaf and PD Minister Oriba, L.Sushindro farmhouse, Maisapaki Saktamadu, Maning the Tari Amadi, Hariba, Maisakibasi, Hokiba, Jungi, Tang, Kunga, Humdogi, Hing the Zuko Shauna, Balam, Damasongi, Miamka Alaktuna, Maitabagi, Safamadumam, Uhanbangam, Zakrabaki Dang, Asizu, Amukahana, Sakangdaba, Muising Namadi, Koshauna, Muising Minister Asiki. Paiduna Thamba Amadi Mahaki farmhouse Taleba, government property, pipes in Zumai Tabaki Sakta Madu Yamna Song no Uri. Akoi Manipur State Fire Service Team Kaya Laktuna, Akoi Mai can be Konjangadu, Tukimatic, Hanbalatana Sangsali Amadi, Asigum Laba, Lebak, Perzam Yamgi Seba, Toguni Haina Toliba, Minister Amagi, property sing Amadi, Sarkagi, Paisanduna Leba, Akoi pipes sing Asi, Koshang Perzam Yamna Kariki Damakta Mai Taribano Habadu, Asobo Hangamoragli. Paudum Zariba video journalist Hentoiba Loinana Paudum Zariba Summer Rishikesh Norim Elite News Infal Pakno.